Hello everyone, a very good evening. Myself Saksham Gupta from Fairgaze. I would like to welcome all the lovely audience present here for the webinar session on paper magic. And I would also thank Bal Bhavan Public School Mayur Vihar for such registrations and for a wonderful presence. So let me introduce you to the counselor of the session, that is Miss Asha Gulati. She's an experimental artist and currently teaching in Pearl Academy. Thank you so much, ma'am, to join the session. Handing over to you.
Right. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yeah. Hi, good evening, everyone, and welcome to the session for paper magic. So I'm sure all of you, first of all, tell me, how are you all? Must be doing great at home, doing interesting things, exploring yourself. And if not exploring, then it is the right time to explore yourself, to know more about yourself. It's the right time to know what we like, to know what we dislike, right? So I think this is the right time when we can say we have so much of time. So whatever we were unable to do earlier, now we can do that. All right. So in today's session, we will be talking about origami. Okay. Although origami term is a very common term, known and familiar term, right? And why we thought of doing origami in this session is because this is the time period when we all are sitting at home and we have limited resources and we have a limited number of tools to use to explore. So I think that way origami is one of the beautiful art form, or you can say craft form, which we can explore at this period of time. है ना? हम सबके पास पेपर तो होता ही है घर पे, right? Whether it's a origami paper, square sheet, or it can be magazine paper, or it could be any old textbook paper, right? And we all have that, right? So without wasting much time, let's start with the one simple thing. So take out your paper, a sheet of paper, whether you have a square sheet or rectangle sheet, whatever is available to you, quickly take out that. Okay, so this is my paper, right? And this is one side colored and one side plain white. I hope it's clearly visible to everyone. Yeah, is it clear to everyone? Okay, great. So although I'll be doing somewhat in air because I can't use the table right now, then it won't be visible to you. But I'll suggest you, if you have some hard surface in front of you or any table, you can use that. It will be easier for you. So for this kind of what we are going to make, let's see what it will be. It's a surprise. So you can use either rectangle sheet of paper or you can use a square sheet of paper, right? So let's start. So what you will be doing is you will be folding the paper from one side, either left or right, and you can fold, say approximately 1 inches or 2 inches from one side. And this is a very simple thing to make. इसमें कोई आपको measurements करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just have to fold from any one side. It can be 2 inches, it can be 1 inch. That is completely up to you. All right. Is it clear? So the same way we will fold it from the other side. So we have to fold from two opposite sides. Either it can be left or right, or it can be front, from top or bottom. Okay, two sides we have to follow. Yes, I can see in your hands. And try to use your fingertips. Try to use your fingertips. It's always good. And do you know, origami is also considered to be as a form of meditation. All right. So it's very relaxing. It's very satisfactory. It brings happiness on all the faces. All right. And the best part of origami is like it has something to offer to everyone. आप स्कूल जाते हैं तब भी ऑरिगेमी कर सकते हैं, नर्सरी में है तब भी ऑरिगेमी कर सकते हैं, even a housewife or even a professional, even a designer, anybody can use this. Okay, so let's move. So आपने जो दो साइड से फोल्ड किया है, so what we will be doing is इन दोनों साइड्स में थोड़ा थोड़ा सा स्ट्रिप फॉर्म में, something like this, we'll fold back like this. So this is the whole thing that you have folded. और इसी के अंदर हम थोड़ा सा इसका एक स्ट्रिप जैसा दोनों साइड से विल फोल्ड इट बैक. Okay, so we will be doing this, following this from both the sides. And again, it's not necessary कि आपका जो दोनों साइड का स्ट्रिप आप फोल्ड कर रहे हैं वो एक जैसा हो. अगर वो थोड़ा सा एक साइड से मोटा एक साइड से पतला हो जाएगा, then it's fine, doesn't matter. Okay. So it's a very simple technique and we'll get something very nice out of it, right? So I'm sure जब हम घर में काम करते हैं, lots of art and craft we are doing and lots of stationery we require, और जब हम टेबल पे काम करते हैं ना बहुत फैल जाता है. So what's the first thing that we need is to organize our stationery. So this is something we are going to create, organizer, right? Okay. Is it clear? Is it done so far? I hope I am not going fast. Okay, great. So now you will see जो आपने ये स्ट्रिप फोल्ड किया है और यहाँ पे आपके पास ये वाला जो पोर्शन है जो हमने स्ट्रिप फोल्ड किया था, इसको जैसे हम रेक्टेंगल, इसको हम एक ट्रायंगल का फॉर्म दे देंगे. सो बेसिकली ये जो ऊपर का आपका लाइन है ये वाला, राइट, इसको हम ऐसे नीचे फोल्ड करेंगे जहां तक आपका स्ट्रिप आ रहा है. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट इज अ ट्रायंगल शेप हियर. Okay. Yes, great. And see, a very good factor is जब भी आप origami से कुछ बनाते हैं, try to follow its process. Okay. So the one thing is, so many times definitely we have so many video tutorials available, right? But जब हम वहां से करते हैं तो उसका एक जो प्रॉब्लम होता है वो ये होता है कि हम एक चीज देखते हैं और उसको हम कॉपी करते हैं, right? But in fact, honestly, if you want to be a creative person, okay, try not to replicate as it is. All right. So this is a very good part. Always try to follow the process. And that can happen only if you are learning something from a mentor. Okay. So that's why it's always good to have a mentor, whatever you are doing, whether you are studying anything or whether you are creating anything. So the most important part is to understand the process. All right. Okay. So the same triangle we will be doing from the rest of the three parts as well. So the same way we'll be doing. Oh yes, I can see some of you are really quick. That's wonderful. Yes, I can see. Very good, lovely. Yeah. So the another thing what we have to do is इस triangle को जो हमने ये fold किया है, I'll just पिक द स्ट्रिप थोड़ा सा ऊपर और इस ट्रायंगल को इस स्ट्रिप के नीचे में छुपा दूंगी। ये ट्रायंगल को क्लोज किया, स्ट्रिप को वापस ले आया। Okay, so we'll be doing with the same thing with all of these 4 triangles. इनको हम इस स्ट्रिप के पीछे छुपा देंगे। I can see lovely smiles on the faces. Yes, very good. So जो triangles जहां तक अब आपके आए हैं, इसको हम थोड़ा सा नीचे फोल्ड करेंगे like this. जब जो आपके triangle के ये corners हैं, the 2 corners you can see here. So just fold it down and crease it. Crease with your fingertips from both the sides. So we'll get something like this. So a very good part of this particular organizer is you can use any kind of paper shape, rectangle, square. You can fold from vertical sides, you can fold it from horizontal sides. किसी साइड में अगर पतला और मोटा स्ट्रिप भी हो गया, then you will get a lovely shape of the container out of it. So now what we have to do is we'll open it and we'll just fold the edges, open it, and you can see you can fold these edges here and here, and my container is ready. Yeah. So you can make the container in different sizes. It can be small, it can be big, and also you can use some thick paper for the same. If you want to keep anything heavy into it, you can use to keep any of your stuff, right? So you can also use it to wrap some nice gifts. You can also use it to keep some dry snacks. So this is completely up to you how you want to use it, right? And as for the purpose of this box, you can create in different sizes with multiple papers. Try using magazines papers because you are at home, and I'm sure you must be having lovely papers up for this, right? So maybe you can, oh, you knew it already. Very good, Aryan. That's lovely. Okay. So, and also try exploring with the different, the sides of the strips, right? So next time whenever you make, so maybe आप try कर सकते हो एक side का strip को thicker रख के, एक side के strip को पतला रख के, and then let's see what the shape of the box you get, and I'm sure you will love it. Okay. So complete this. Let's wait for another 1 minute and then we'll start with the another origami thing. So step by step, we will be going a little, you can say little complicated things, right? So we started with the simplest things because maybe for some of you, this is the first time that you are doing origami, right? And you know, origami is lovely. You can create anything and everything out of it. Think of the paper board, think of the paper plane, or think of creating a face mask, or think of creating a building or a product or a fashion garment, or think of anything home decor, think of anything utility item. It's always there, right? That's why it's very good to practice origami, right? And you know, the best part is nowadays it is not only limited to create with the paper. You can use many other materials as well, right? Okay. So if you people are done, shall we start with the another thing? Can I see the boxes in your hands so that I can know everybody is done? Yes. Very good. Wonderful. And I'm sure this is relaxing too. Yeah. Very good. Shall we move? Okay. So for the next thing, we need a square paper. One sheet of square paper. Okay. Okay. So this time I have blue sheet in my hand. So this time I have a blue color sheet in my hand. Okay. So for this thing, we will keep, so if you have the sheet of double color, I mean one side colored and white on the another side. So keep white side up. Okay. So we'll start working from the white side up. Okay. Yes. Very good. So what we have to do is we have to fold this sheet into two halves like this. So we'll bring bottom. So जब भी हमें ऐसे फोल्ड करना होता है, ट्राई कि एकदम से आप नीचे से उठाकर ऊपर नहीं रखिए. Okay, it's always good if you fold the bottom like this. All right, and fold it and then slide it ऊपर. Okay. Join the corners. Whenever you have to crease a big size sheet, और अगर आपको लगता है कि कॉर्नर्स जो है आपके अच्छे से आपने रख लिया, लेकिन जब क्रीज करते हैं कई बार तो वो हिल जाते हैं, राइट? सो द बेस्ट थिंग इज कॉर्नर्स को आप ज्वाइन करिए. ऑलवेज होल्ड द पेपर फ्रॉम द सेंटर, ऑलराइट, एंड यूज योर फर्स्ट right hand finger. All right, so what you will do is you will keep the finger like this, hold it in the center, bring it down, and then crease it to the left and to the right. All right, so although I'm doing it in the air, so I'm doing it like this, because जब आपका center से एक बार hold हो जाता है sheet, तो it will never move. All right, जो आपने दोनों corners को join किया है वो आपके perfectly joined रहेंगे. All right, so that's the good way. So always start from the center, right? So after doing this step, open it and rotate it, and then again bring bottom to the upper line. Like this. Again from the center towards left and right. Open it. So now what we have to do is we have to bring these four corners and we have to join it here in the center. Okay, this we call Blind's fold. You know, आपका जितना भी origami है, whether it's a simple origami or it's a complicated one, whatever, right? So we have only two kinds of folds in it. One is the valley fold that goes in, and another is the mountain fold that comes up, right? So हम जैसे English, Hindi, we speak so many languages. So when we have to define it in the language, we have to study so many alphabets, And through those alphabets, we create words and then further the sentences, right? So the same way in origami, it's a language of lines, all right? And the best part is that we have only two alphabets in this, valley and the mountain. How amazing is this, right? Just with the two alphabets, we can create anything in the world, right? And origami is used in medical sciences, architectures, products, and everywhere. Yes, very good. Lovely. I hope everyone is done. Yes, I can see in your hands. Wonderful. Okay, shall we move? Okay, great. Now, after doing this step, we'll just turn it over like this. Okay, so we have these flaps opening on this side. So we'll turn it over. And now here on this side, we have this plain surface. Okay, if you are not done, I can see still some of you are not done. Let's wait for 1 minute more. No, it's not a fortune teller, guys. We are making something else. Thank you, Yuvani. Thanks, you are enjoying the classes. Very good. Oh, that's good that you have many origami models. Good to know. And just keep exploring. No, it is not a basket. Just keep guessing what we'll get. And you know what the best thing I like about origami is that, and I'm using and doing this origami, it's almost been 2 decades now. And the best thing about origami is you can do it anywhere because you just need a simple piece of paper to create anything. And it's very easy to practice origami. Although people think it's easy, but I will say it's not easy, it's super easy, right? Because definitely there are only two alphabets in this, right? Just joining those two alphabets and creating because it's like a language only. We are communicating through this, right? English में जैसे हम communicate करते हैं, draw करके communicate करते हैं. So the same way, I think we are communicating through this language also, right? Yes, it doesn't require any special tool as well. True. Okay, so I hope everyone is done. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now on one side we have these opening flaps. So now we'll work on this side where it is flat, a piece, one single sheet. All right. So again, now we have these four corners. We'll bring these corners till the center. Once again, yes. And please try to keep it on a table or any hard surface in front of you and then do it. And I'm just doing it in the air, as I said, so that everybody can see. But when you are using table or any hard surface, you will get the perfect results from this. So we will be doing this from all the four sides. So my sheet is going little here and there because I'm doing it in the air, but that's okay. Okay, so just you people try to use the hard surface in front of you. Take your time. We are in no hurry. Try to crease it properly, because whenever we are doing origami, a very important part here is to crease the sheet properly. Okay, jitna aapka creases sharp hoga, you will get better result. Okay, so it's very important to get sharp creases. Okay, और जब भी हम इसको surface पे रख के and we use this first finger, so we get beautiful, very crisp creases, right? It's not a game, it's not a camera. Keep on guessing. I hope all of you can see this. No, it's not a balloon. No. Let's see what it will be. Even I don't know what it will be, right? But yeah, the one thing I'm sure about it is, yes, we are going to like this, right? It's not the envelope. Okay, so now on this side, we folded these flaps and we got these 4 triangles. So now again, we'll turn it around. And here we have, on this side, we have 4 triangles, you can see, right? And on the other side, you can see like there are 4 squares, right? So on this side, we have 4 squares. So now we'll work with these 4 squares, all right? So a very simple thing you have to do is, like, you will take this center corner of the square and you will bring it here, back 4, like this, right? It was like this. So सेंटर स्क्वायर को उठाया एंड इसको ऊपर लेकर गए हम और इसके साथ ज्वाइन कर दिया. Yes, from all the 4 sides we'll be doing this. Okay, so the another thing is, we can keep it like this also. I'm just showing you the different options, right? So we can leave it like this also. We can use it as a photo frame or a picture frame. We can just put a picture here in this, all right? And the another thing what we can do here is, we can, जो अभी हमने ये triangles को back fold किया है, इनको हम वापस ऐसे करके, और इसकी आप देखेंगे जब हमने ये यहाँ से फोल्ड किया, there is a pocket here, right? All of you can see a pocket here, right? So the one thing is we keep it like this. The another thing is कि मैं इस flap को इस pocket के अंदर बीच में उल्टा fold कर दूं, like this, so it will go into the pocket. Okay, so the first option was we can keep it plain white. Okay, the second option is कि हम इसको pocket के अंदर उल्टा कर दें All right, so we'll get something like this. And we have one more option also. This is what I have explored, but you can do much more also. So the third option is, ये जो हमने flap white वाला fold किया है, we further bring it back like this. Okay, and we can also do it like a fan fold. So okay, the first option was like, okay guys, just it's a request to all of you, because I can see somebody's sharing their screen here, and due to which we are unable to see, right? Please stop doing that. Thank you so much. Okay, so the first option what we did was, we used this white triangle. All right, and the second option that we did was, we folded it back into the pocket and we got the corner like this. And the third option is, we जितना हमारा ये white flap जो हमने fold किया था, right, ये जो white flap हमने fold किया है, इसको हमने एक fan fold की तरह कर दिया. Fan fold पता है ना, एक one up one down, one up one down, and I'm sure everybody, all of you know that. Okay, I'll do that. Please, if anybody is sharing your screen, please stop doing that. Yeah, okay. So I'll just go through it again, because there was some disturbance. Okay, so we are clear that we folded these white triangles at the back. All right. The second thing what we did was, कि हमने इस white triangle को, we folded it back into the pocket. Second option. And the third option is, we can fold this white plain flower जैसे fan fold करते हैं. One up, one down, one up, one down. It's same. Fan fold करते हैं. So आधा triangle जो जितना हमारा ये white flap था, सिर्फ इतने portion को हमने fan fold कर. That's it. All right. So it's not, आपको एक ही चीज में तीनों options नहीं रखने हैं. All right. So you will use one option to it, and maybe later on आप different options से भी इसको बना सकते हैं. All right. So we can use this as a photo frame also, but we are not going to use it as a photo frame. We are going to make something more out of it. All right. So now we'll turn it over, fold it back. जहाँ पे हमारे पास 4 triangles थे. Is it clear? So this side we have 4 triangles, right? So now we'll work on this side. What we have to simply do is, इस triangle को हम इस तरीके से fold कर देंगे. All right? All of you can see this. ये एक बड़ा triangle है जो हमने ऐसे fold किया था. So अब इस triangle को मैं center जहाँ पे ये दो creases join हो रही हैं, इसको मैं यहाँ पर ला करके, and I'll just fold it like this and crease it. And I'll repeat this on all the 4 sides. So this is my second side. Okay, it came out good, wonderful. And like this. And like this. No, it's not a frog, dear. Okay, so do it like this. Done. Okay. So on this side, what I'm doing is I'm using this option, that is to fold it back into the pocket. This is what I'm using. So you can use whatever the way you want to. Okay, so this is mine. Wonderful. Let's wait for a minute so that everybody can complete this, and then we will move on. Okay, so on one side, this is the one side, and this is the another side जहाँ पे हमने triangles को fold किया था, right? Now the magic comes here. On this side, what it will be? It's not a frame stand. Let's see what it will be. Now you have these pockets. What I'm going to do is just look first. पहले आप देखिए कैसे करना है, and then do it on your sheet, right? So these are the four corners we can see. So what I'll do is, ये जो first corner है, इसको मैं अंदर एक थोड़ा सा finger अपना insert करूंगी, और मैं इसको उठाऊंगी और इसको मैं यहाँ से crease कर दूंगी. That's it. Okay. What you have to do is just take one corner, put your finger in the corner. फिंगर को जब हम पॉकेट में डालेंगे, ये आपका जो कॉर्नर है ये ऊपर आ जाएगा, और आप इसको एक सेंटर से ऐसे सिर्फ हल्का सा इसको आप ऐसे फोल्ड कर देंगे, बस, और कुछ नहीं करना है. सो यू विल गेट लाइक दिस. सी, आई होप एवरीवन कैन सी दिस. सो जस्ट देयर इज अ पॉकेट हियर, पुट योर फिंगर इन, और इस कॉर्नर को थोड़ा सा हम ऊपर लाएंगे और इसको हम क्रीज करते हैं. And you have to do it on all the four sides. Okay. So now see what I'm doing after doing this. Okay, let's wait. Shall I wait? Okay, let's wait for a minute. आप आराम से complete कर लीजिए. We are in no hurry, but do it properly. Okay, crease it properly. Try to understand कि हम कौन सा step कैसे कर रहे हैं. This is what more important is, right? Because जब आप understand करेंगे हम कैसे कैसे कर रहे हैं, so जैसे मैंने आपको अभी 3 options बताए corners के, maybe you can come up with more options, right? Okay, so now what I'll do is, see here, the one thing is we can also fold it. और हम इनको धीरे धीरे जो हमारे चारों कॉर्नर्स हमने फोल्ड करे थे, सी, ये जो हमने चारों अपने कॉर्नर्स फोल्ड करे थे, आई एम जस्ट पिकिंग इट अप. Yes, it is something called suspense. Very good. Keep on guessing. Let's see what we'll get. So I'm getting a shape something like this. I can use this as a container. I can keep my stuff in this. And I can, if I make छोटे छोटे से, maybe at the time of festival or any kind of occasion or any kind of event. You can also use this to keep tea lights. Tea lights होती है, if we keep the tea lights in this, it will look nice. And we can also use some metallic sheets to make it more to make it more beautiful. We can use golden color sheets, silver sheets, or whatever, and we can keep lot many out of these. We can create a nice rangoli out of it, right? और अगर आप इसको अगेन द सेम थिंग, अगर आप थिक पेपर से हेवी पेपर से बनाएंगे, then you can keep anything in this, right? And see how easy and how beautiful it is, right? And the best, you can also use it as an organizer on your tables, because tables where whenever we work there is a lots of stuff over there, right? So sections karke we can use this, we can keep any kind of stuff in this, right? So it's a good way, like just out of one thing, how multiple uses we can do out of it, right? Just we need to change its scale. कि कैसा purpose है, accordingly we'll keep the size of it. Hope you all enjoyed. Can I see in your hands? Yay, wonderful. So we are keeping today's sessions as simple as possible so that all of you can enjoy this, right? And all of you should have something that you have created, and that should bring smile on your faces, right? That is something really important. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for making this wonderful
Thank you so much.
container.
Okay.
So I would request everyone. Yeah, please continue, ma'am, if you're saying something.
I would want to add one small thing here, maybe which they can, keep practicing something very simple, right? So I'm sure all of you have seen this fortune teller, tippy tippy tap, right? And all of you must be knowing how to make this, all right? So एक चीज मैं आपको बताती हूँ जो आप बाद में practice कर सकते हैं, all right? Because I know all of you know how to make fortune teller tippy tippy tap. सबको आता है, सब बच्चों को आता है, और अगर mothers को नहीं आता, they'll teach you how to make this, right? So I'll just show you कि इस tippy tippy tap को हम कितने different ways से use कर सकते हैं, right? So what I have created out of this tippy tippy tap is something like this. All right, this is completely out of a tippy tippy tap. This is something which you can use as artwork, which you can get framed. और अगर आप frame नहीं भी कराएं, किसी भी base पे आप लगा दें, it will look nice on your walls. कितना भी बड़ा बनाए, किसी भी तरीके से बनाए, and from the back also it looks nice, right? And one more best thing about it is कि अगर मैं इसको इस तरीके से round कर देती हूँ, then see how beautiful it looks. Can I use it as a flowers? Can I use it if I make it smaller in size? I can use it as a pen stand. See how beautiful it will look, right? So for this thing, what you have to do is make multiples of tippy tippy tap, because इसमें बहुत सारे लगते हैं, all right? And what you have to do is tippy tippy tap लिया, आपको यहाँ पर किसी भी एक जगह पर थोड़ा सा ग्लू लगाना है, just a drop of glue, और ये दूसरा टिप्पी टिप्पी टैप जो आपने लिया, इसको इसके ऊपर ऐसे ज्वाइन कर देना. Can you see this? Right? So now you have so much of time. You people are at home. Try to create something nice out of it. All of you can do this. It's simple to do. Yeah? And I'm sure you all will love this, and you can make it as big as you want, and you can create as many things as you want out of it. Great. Yes, Saksham, please carry on.
So thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm really glad to see your wonderful origami work.
Thank you so much. Thanks everyone to be a part of it.
So I'm requesting everyone, if you want to ask any questions to ma'am, you can just send your name in the chat box so I can unmute you and you can get your queries solved. Thank you. Okay, so I will be unmuting Divyansh.
Okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Divyansh, please tell me.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, Divyansh?
Ma'am, in ma'am, first one, ma'am, what about that? When the first one,
I request all of you, please keep yourself on mute because sound बहुत echo हो रहा है and I'm unable to hear Divyansh. Please. Yes, Divyansh, please repeat.
ma'am, I was saying that the first one, the origami activity, ma'am, you have tell that, ma'am. Can you tell again,
First activity, the box. Okay.
ma'am? Ma'am, this one.
Okay. Okay. Okay, just give us a little time, Divyansh, so that we can hear from everyone. If they have any questions, then I'll repeat the same for you. Not a problem.
Ma'am, what?
Wait for 2 minutes because अगर किसी और को कुछ और questions है, queries है, they can ask. Then I'll tell it to you again. All right, not a problem. Yeah,
Dinesh Pal is get unmuted now.
sure.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Bhavna. Ma'am, I want to ask that you have shown that tippy top. Ma'am, can we make a floor maker with the help of it? Ma'am, for the floor decoration of.
Yes, we can do. See, we are combining the multiple units of tippy tippy tap, right? So when we are combining tippy tippy tap, that means we are creating a kind of a surface, right? So it is like a surface, right? I can use it in any ways. I can use it as it is on my wall. I can put it on the floor as a part of a rangoli, right? If I use it in some other ways because it's very easy because it has the flexibility in it and I can use it in any of the ways, right? ये बहुत बड़ा है. What अगर इतना सा ही होता वो एक अलग तरीके का लुक देता, right? So that is completely up to you, whatever you want to create. So that's why I showed especially with the tippy tippy tap because it's a very simple unit, right? But अगर हमारे पास ये बहुत सारे units हैं और इनको combine अगर हम करते हैं, then we can create lot many lovely things out of it. Yeah. So just keep exploring.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
So now Kanishka is unmuted.
Yeah, sure, please.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, I have attended at 4 times. I have missed that first one. Can you tell me, ma'am?
Sorry, please, can you repeat Kanishka? Because आपका voice थोड़ा break हो रहा है. Or Saksham, if you can please repeat the question, what she has asked.
Ma'am, actually, she is asking that she has missed starting 10 minutes. So can you please give a short insight of that?
Okay, sure. Because there is another person, Divyansh, who was asking. So maybe quickly we can just I can answer if there is any question. Then I can again recap that first activity.
Sure, ma'am. So now I am unmuting Raza.
Sure.
Raza, you can ask your question now. I think some problem is with Raza's audio. So let me unmute Ruth.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Rodra. How are you?
Ma'am, I am fine, ma'am. I am ma'am out in activity 1. Ma'am, I am late 20 minutes. Ma'am, can you show me how to make activity 1?
Okay, I think that's with not many of you that you have skipped the first activity. Okay, Saksham, can we please can we take another 5 minutes to quickly recap the first activity?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah. Okay, guys, if you all of you who have skipped the first activity, that was the simple box that we created, but it was awesome and lovely box. So we'll just quickly go through it. All right. So let me just scrap a paper. Okay. So I have this sheet of paper with me. This is square in shape, but we can use rectangle as well. All right. So what I'll be doing is I'll quickly fold from two sides. All right. You can fold either from left and the right side, or you can fold from the top and the bottom side, whatever you want. Right. But two sides we just have to fold. All right. And it is again necessary वो fold 3 inches है, 2 inches है, 1 inch है, whatever it is, right? So it's not necessary कि हमें उसको center तक लाना है. It can be anything, because the best part with this container is it's all random. And जितना ये ज़्यादा आप इसकी sides के measurement से play करेंगे, you will get beautiful shapes of the container out of it, right? So after folding from two sides, what we will be doing is we'll just fold a strip out of it at the back. All right. हमने ये दो साइड से फोल्ड किया तो दोबारा से हमने क्या किया, इस चीज को लेकर के हमने एक साइड से इसका जो पतला साइड स्ट्रिप है वो फोल्ड कर दिया. And I'll be folding the strip from both the sides. And again, it's not necessary कि आपका जो strip है वो मोटा है या पतला है, right? So it has to be on both the sides. All right. So after folding this strip back, what you will be doing is from all these four corners, you will be making a triangle. And triangle आपको कहाँ तक बनाना है, जहाँ तक आपका ये जो strip का part है आपका, यहाँ तक आपको ये triangle fold कर. All right. And you will be folding this triangle from all the four sides. Okay. And crease it properly, right? Because origami में it's all about creases. Creases आपका जितना sharp होगा, जितना अच्छा होगा, आपका होगा, उतना ही आपका result जो है उसका उतना ही ज़्यादा अच्छा, right? And always try to use hard surface in front of you. All right. So after making these four triangles, हम इस strip को open करेंगे और इस triangle को हम settle करके strip को वापस fold करेंगे, right? So basically हम triangle को इस strip के पीछे छुपा रहे हैं, है ना? ये हमने इन triangles को strip के पीछे छुपा दिया. और हम ये चारों triangles को छुपा देंगे. All right. और इन ट्रायंगल्स को बनाने के बाद जहां तक हमारा ये ट्रायंगल का लाइन आ रहा है ये वाला, इसको फिर से ऐसे फोल्ड कर फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स, ऊपर से नीचे से, राइट? और इसको फिर हम खोल देंगे एंड इसको हम साइड से खोलने के बाद इन दोनों साइड से भी खोल देंगे. सो वील गेट अ नाइस container or a box which we can use to keep anything, right? See this. And if you are using, if you are using double side color paper, so you will see the color difference on the sides as well, right? Yeah. I hope it's clear. Whosoever have missed, so now you can make. Right? And it's very simple to do.
So let's have 10 to 5 minutes more for question answer round and we can just end up the session. So
Yeah,
I'm unmuting Gauri.
Okay, sure.
Hello, ma'am. It's Gauri here.
Hi, Gauri. How are you?
I'm great, Mom. Mom, I enjoyed a lot in your session. Mom, the
Very
box I
good.
made, my brother took it and kept the things.
Oh, lovely. यही तो मजा है ना?
Yes, Mom.
हम आप इतने मजे से बनाते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, और अगर सेकंड पर्सन उसके लिए काम आ रहा है, सो व्हाट कैन बी बेटर देन दिस, है ना? एंड
Mom,
एक्सप्लोरिंग, छोड़ना नहीं इसको, और बॉक्सेस बनाओ, डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, डिफरेंट शेप्स, different type of papers, different sizes. Try. Okay.
Mom, I wanted to ask you that are there any more creative things that we can make during this lockdown, as I'm a lot interested in origami.
Oh, that's great. So one thing that I taught you about the tippy tippy tap, how we can use, try that. And I think in the meantime, Saksham, I think we are going to have more sessions also, which the people can join.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. So please note down Gauri's name to inform. Yeah.
Definitely, ma'am. We will inform her.
Yeah.
So Raza is now back with his question.
Okay, sure. Yes, Raza.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Raza. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Tell me.
मैम मेरा ये डाउट है कि मैं जब भी या तो कुछ ऑर्गेमी से रिलेटेड कुछ बनाना चाहता हूँ, कुछ ऐसी गड़बड़ हो जाती है कि जिससे मतलब फिर उससे मेरा मन हट जाता है। तो मेरे ऑर्गेमी के साथ ये परेशानी है।
ओके, आप कैसे बनाते हैं? डू यू वॉच वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स?
हाँ मैम,
हाँ,
वो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है।
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इसलिए हो जाता है बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द वेरी बिगनिंग ऑल्सो कि हम यूजुअली वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स देख करके बनाते हैं और रेप्लिकेट करते हैं चीज़ों को, बट एट द सेम टाइम द प्रॉब्लम इज कि वो चीज़, जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, एक आंसर को रट्टा लगाना होता है, सो दैट इज मोर लाइक दैट, राइट? एंड व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम एनी मेंटर, सो then you start understanding the concept, then you start understanding the process कि हमने कैसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप किया, कौन से स्टेप को हम किस तरीके से वेरिएशंस दे सकते हैं, then it becomes little easier. So maybe in the coming days we will have more sessions with origami, so please do join so that we can sort out your problem and you can be
मैम आई हैव वन मोर मैम क्वेश्चन। मैम क्या आप अभी एक पेपर प्लेन बना के दिखा सकते हो मैम? क्योंकि जो पेपर प्लेन होता है अक्सर मैं ये करता हूँ उसमें कि वो नीचे गिर जाता है, मतलब वो उसमें एरोडायनेमिक सही से नहीं हो पाती, मैं या तो फोल्ड्स कुछ गलत करता हूँ, तो मैम आप क्या बता सकते हो सबसे इजी?
Raza, I would love to, but I think right now we are very short of time, right? And I think there are a few more people who have something to ask. But only thing I will suggest you is whenever you create next time the paper plane, उसको creases अच्छे से करो, alright? और जब भी आप उसकी दो center में जब भी आप join करते हो, try not to overlap it, alright? So I hope it will help you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, my pleasure.
So now we will be taking a few more questions. One for Jyoti. She is asking from very long.
Yeah, sure, please.
Jyoti, you can ask your question now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me. Can I hear you, Jyoti?
I think some net issue is there, so I am unmuting Srijana.
Sure.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, how are you, Srijana?
I'm fine. Ma'am,
Yes.
I wanted to ask that I am very interested in origami and crafts. I have made many things, but I really copy those things from videos. Sometimes, sometimes I have to start it over. Ma'am, how can I, learn it?
See, Srijana, the best way, that's why I always tell to everyone, it's whenever I am teaching to my students, किसी भी level पे, whatever I am teaching, first of all, I suggest not to copy out the things, right? Because it's very important to understand the process. Process अगर हम बात करते हैं, तो जैसे हम step by step किसी भी चीज़ को बनाते हैं, अभी हमने जैसे box बनाया, हमने कैसे fold किया, कैसे strips को fold किया, सो बनाने के लिए इट्स वेरी सिंपल, राइट? बट अगर हम उसको एक्सप्लोर नहीं करते, प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते, तो हम नया नहीं क्रिएट कर सकते. एंड मोर ओवर, जितना आप वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स को, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज watch it once and just switch it off, all right, and then practice it.
Okay,
Right.
ma'am.
So I think, because I will never suggest to copy out the things, I never suggest to watch the video tutorials. It's always good. आप अगर simple paper भी है आपके सामने, आपको, आप drawing करते हो, आप कुछ भी draw करते हो, आप एक simple drawing को सोचो कि अगर मैं इसको paper को fold कर दूं तो ये कैसा लगेगा.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
try exploring. आप कौन सी क्लास में हैं सृजना?
Ma'am, 8th.
एट्थ में तो आप बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो सिंपली अगर हम फैन फोल्ड की भी बात करते हैं तो फैन फोल्डिंग में भी बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं, राइट?
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर
Okay,
and
ma'am.
try not to just restrict to the video tutorials. That's why
Okay.
I never suggest. Yes.
So as we are running short of time, I am taking last question from Ruth. I would like to inform everyone that you can go to our Facebook page, that is Fair Gaze page, and you can share your queries there. So we can ask Asha ma'am, she will be answering all your queries there. Okay. So you
Yeah,
can just,
definitely we'll do that. And
Yeah.
I'm sure we are going to keep next session very soon, where you all can attend and you can come up with whatever the things you have in your mind. We'll try to keep more time to answer you, right? And
Sure, ma'am.
with that, you can just put the questions on the page of Fair Gaze. So we'll try to reply each and every as soon as possible.
So I have unmuted Rudra. You can also ask last question from Rudra's side.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am, that you have said to make. Ma'am, I have tried to make, but ma'am, I has not make a very beautiful, ma'am.
Ruth, it takes time. It needs practice. बनेगा, बिल्कुल बनेगा, बिल्कुल आपको वरी लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's very simple, right? It takes time. Don't worry, right? हमें language सीखने में, counting सीखने में time लगा था ना? So ऐसे ही हमें origami सीखने में भी थोड़ा सा time लगता है. But it's very simple to do, right? I think Saksham, please unmute Preksha. वो बहुत देर से हाथ raise कर रही है, मैं वीडियो में देख रही हूँ.
Okay, so Preksha.
Yeah, please, the last question from Preksha.
Okay, Preksha, you are unmuted. You can ask your question now.
Yes, Preksha, tell me.
मतलब मुझसे तो means I have not done.
You are not done?
I have not done both.
कोई बात नहीं, आप उसको ओपन करो. I can see that's in your hand, right? आप उसके साइड्स को ओपन करो और आपका बॉक्स बन जाएगा. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys, have a good time. Be at home, stay safe, and keep exploring and practicing origami. And if you have anything you want to know, put the question on the page, Facebook page of Fair Gaze. We are always there to help you out.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for a wonderful session.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Thank you, lovely audience, to be active in the session, and I would like to welcome everyone, those who have attended the session. So I am sharing the link of our next upcoming session, that is on box. Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, bye-bye. See you.